Hi guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a button heart. This is all going to be made with some earth tone buttons that I picked up from Dress It Up Buttons, and here's just an example of what I used. It's going to be really cute, guys, so let's get started. So what I have here is just a simple piece of paper. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to fold it in half. If you remember how you used to make hearts in grade school, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to turn it to the side where the crease is, and we're just going to start drawing our heart shape. And once you get the outside heart drawn, you're going to draw an inside heart because we're going to go ahead and cut the middle out of this to make it look more like a wreath. Next, we're just going to take some scissors and we're going to cut along the outside line and cut that out. And then we're going to cut the inside out. This is just some corrugated cardboard that I cut off a box that I'm going to use as the backing of my heart. I'm just going to lay my pattern out on it, and I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw around the outside and also the inside of the heart so we can cut it out. Once that's drawn, you're going to just start using a big pair of scissors, and this is not easy on corrugated cardboard, but you'll get it cut out. Once that's done, we're just going to start gluing on our buttons. I just have a variety here like I showed you at the beginning, and these are some awesome colors. I really like the vintage appearance of these buttons. And then once that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to layer the buttons on top. We're going to start filling in with the smaller buttons. Once you get it all filled in, we're going to make a bow, and I'm going to use a little charm from Dress It Up Buttons, some jute, and a little flower. And I'm just going to cut the jute and just make a simple little bow on it. Just adjust it to the size you would like. And you can make this as fancy as you would like. I'm just doing something simple because I feel like it adds to that vintage feel. And then I'm just going to glue it onto the wreath where I want it. I'm just auditioning my flower there to kind of see where I would like it. And then I'm just going to glue the bow right onto one of the buttons. Then I'm going to take my flower and put it where I decided to put it, up there above. Just put some glue on that and apply it. And then I'm just going to take that charm that I put a jump ring on, and I'm just going to tie it on simply to one of the strings hanging down from the bow. I chose to use the inside one so it would kind of dangle in the middle better, but that's your call. I'm just checking to see if it's where I want it, and it is. Just adjust my bow a little bit, and then I'm just going to snip off the ends of that bow. Clean that up a little bit, and there we have it. There's our cute little heart-shaped wreath. You can put a little jute hanger, glue it on the back, and you'll be all set, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one.